Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and actually it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo or the video mode, and just enter the settings switcher in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the general section, and on the third position we've got the timer, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options. So currently we've got the timer off, but we can set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay it can be. Now let's go back to the photo section, photo mode, and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, the time will be different depending on what option you will choose. And if you want to, you can turn off the timer, just tap on off, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.